What I really like about this screwdriver set and what I think sets it apart from others is just how small it is. It's not a big bulky screwdriver set. Now that does come at a bit of a cost. It doesn't have as many bits, but it does have the more common ones, so you're not wasting space with a bunch of things that you're never going to need or use. It comes in a nice case like this, so if you need to throw it in your backpack or toolbox or something like that, it doesn't take up a lot of space. It doesn't weigh a lot. Nice and convenient. And on the back here, it does list what it has. So it has Torx, Allen, Star, Phillips, Flathead, Y, and Triangle. They did a really good job coming up with the most common heads that you'll need. And the screwdriver itself is also really quite compact, so everything together is quite small. This was sent to me so I could test it out and make this video. Let's have a closer look. One thing that's really nice about this screwdriver set is just how small it is. So it comes in its own case like this. You got bits on the top and bottom, and then here is your screwdriver handle. So it is not as big or thick as some, but it's also not plastic. This is a metal screwdriver handle, and then you have this rotating piece here so that you can hold it in the palm of your hand and rotate it easily. And then it does have nice grip out of the manufactured metal. I've seen a lot of screwdrivers where they just have like rubber or plastic. I prefer the metal. I feel like my fingers can dig deeper into that and get a better, stronger grip. Here's a closer look at some of the bits. Nice and shiny. Let's go ahead and take one out, and you can see it is magnetic, so it's going to just kind of pop into place just like that. So it doesn't come out even if you shake it. That is really nice. And the bonus of that too is when you take a screw out, the screw is going to stick to the screwdriver. Works really well despite its small size. I end up using a screwdriver just about every day, so I actually keep this by the side of my desk. It's really nice and useful to have when I do projects at my desk. I don't need to leave my desk. I just have this right here. When I do projects around the home and I need one of these heads, quick and easy to grab and to use. I actually have a bunch of screwdriver sets like this, and you can see this is just really big and bulky, and I will use this every once in a while for one-off projects that have a weird head, but about 90% of the time this works well enough for what I need, and I'm really impressed with the actual quality and manufacturing of it. The screwdriver itself, this is the only one that I have that's all metal, and I really like it. I prefer it. It works really well, feels nice in the hand. All the heads are really nice and high quality. Definitely recommend this set.